Hey, it's Jeff, Kilo 3 Juliet Romeo Zulu, coming to you today with another product review. This is the personalized antenna winder from 3D Radio Shop on Etsy. It's run by Ryan, November 2, Yankee, Quebec Tango. I bought two of these a few months ago. Haven't used them yet, but I plan on using them very soon. And I thought I'd do a quick review on them. They can be used as an antenna winder for a wire, guy line, counterpoise, or whatever. And you can get your call sign customized on these winders. They are like this. Nothing on the back though. They come in 9 different colors. The winder part is the primary color, and your call sign is a secondary color. The colors are sky blue, orange, black, army green, safety green, blue, gray, yellow, and white. Now you can get those in any combination that you desire for the primary or the secondary colors. They're about 5.5 inches wide by 2 inches high and about 1/8 of an inch thick. They're made from outdoor friendly PETG material, and they do come with the Velcro strap on them. I took the one off of this one, and I'll show you how it looks like with something on there. Here is the antenna winder with some with the counterpoise I made. It is 3 lengths of 16-foot wire that is 22 gauge. Banana clip on the end for a specific purpose. But it's on there. The Velcro strap holds it nice and neat. You can wind it around it, or you could do your figure 8 kind of thing, and that will work just as well. You might need a little bit longer Velcro strap, or put 2 together, but it works very well. So if you're interested in getting one of these, again, the Etsy shop is 3D Radio Shop, all one word, and I will leave a link in the description below. Now, also there are discount codes listed on the website there on his Etsy shop that if you buy multiples, you can use a discount code to get a few bucks off. Thank you all for watching, and 7-3. I hear someone getting yelled at